Hey guys, welcome back to Draw with Zach because today we are going to be doing another drawing. If you're new to the channel, I'm Zach and this is Frankie. And what are we drawing today?
We are drawing Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yep, that's right.
And guys, make sure to follow along till the end of the video because I'll be back.
Yes, we're going to be drawing Donatello from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles because we drew Leonardo last week. So pause now to get paper, pen or pencil and something to lean on, in which I have a book. So first of all guys, we're going to draw his glasses. So we're going to draw a little kind of sort of curve, I don't really know how to explain it, and then you're going to bring it round, kind of like an eye shape. Well, if that makes sense. And then you're going to draw another one that's the same size, hopefully. Like that. Okay, and then you're going to join them up with a slight curve and another one which is going to be parallel. And then from the left side it's going to come out, you're going to go down, join back. Okay, so that's the glasses, and then inside of them we need to draw the eyes. So we're going to draw two ovals like that, and then some pupils. Try and make it slightly to the left so that it looks like they are looking at you. That's a tip for you. There we go. And then we're going to do the mask because of course we can't forget the mask. That's like one of the main things of him. So we're going to come out from the top of this, just do a bit of a squiggle, I don't know, join back up, and then from the bottom here, we're going to come out, down, it's going to go through the glasses and join up with the other side. Okay, that's the mask done, so now we just need to draw the head. So we're just going to go like this, just around, and then slightly bigger one on the bottom as well. Okay, and then we're going to draw kind of a bracket and then a nice big smile like that. You might want to draw some eyebrows as well. Okay, right. Next we are going to do, I'd say that this is the hardest bit, so if you get past this bit then you can probably do the whole thing. So we're going to draw a kind of squarey rectangle-y thing, and this is the headphones, and you're going to draw one on each side like that, and then you're going to, on the left side you're going to bump out like that and bump back in, and then you're going to shade that in, well, colour it in black. Okay, trying to do this super quickly. And then on the other side you're going to do the same thing, so bump out, go back in, and then this time we're going to shade in that middle bit so that there is, so that it is around his neck, the headphones. Did I mention the headphones? I don't know, can't remember. Right, that's the headphones done, pretty much, as soon as we attach it to the head. So now we're going to draw the arm. So it's going to come from the cheek, going to draw backwards C, then it's going to come out a little bit further, like that, and then you're going to join it up with another backwards C, and then it's going to come over like that and under. Okay, and then we're going to draw a really big backwards C like that, and then the arm is going to start to get a bit thinner now. Okay, and then it's going to join up with another C, backwards C. Okay, so now we're going to come out like this. It's going to stop, come down, round like this and join up. And then we're going to draw the hand from here. So we're going to come out from this, it's going to be the thumb, going to come up around like this, come back down, and that's a finger. And then you're going to stop, come up, bend down, and come around again. It's going to join up. Okay, well done everyone. So we've got that hand done, and we're not going to do the other hand because it's not even visible. Okay, so now we're going to draw the leg first. So we're going to come about where that first kind of purple bandana thingy is. You're going to come down, and there's going to be a big C, normal C this time. It's going to come up. It's going to start getting thinner, but not too much. And then you're going to join it up with a backwards C. And then you're going to do that same shape again, but right here. Okay, because that right there is going to be the big purple bandana thingy around his knee. So we're going to join that up all the way around. And then we're going to finish off the leg by coming down, and it's going to get a lot thinner here. Like that. And then we're going to do the heel. Come out, one toe, two toes, in. Okay, just like that. Right. Okay, now we're going to draw the other leg, which is behind this leg. So we're going to come out from this leg like this. And then they're both going to join up with that other leg. God, this is getting confusing. Okay, and then it's going to come out a little bit. And then there's going to be a big purple bandana thingy. So we're going to join it up. Come all the way around. Do another backward C. And then we're just going to bring the leg through the leg. That sounds weird. Okay, so imagine that line goes through the foot, like that. On both sides, don't forget. And then we're going to come to a point where it's going to be the heel. And of course the foot is upside down now. One toe, two toe, in. Okay, just like that, guys. Right, now we're going to draw the belt that goes all the way around his shell. So we're going to draw a kind of half circle, not really. It's supposed to have a D in there, but you can't really see it, so maybe just like put a dot. And then we're going to bring the belt all the way around until you get to about the thumb, right there. With that hand, and we're not going to join it up yet because we don't know how long the shell is going to be yet. So next what we're going to do is we're going to draw that first kind of chest plate almost on him. So we're going to come out from those headphones, come in like that, and join up from this as well. Okay. And then we're going to do a line coming up from the beginning of that belt, and then some coming from the side as well. Right, that's the first bit of the shell done. So let's get on to the next bit. So we're going to come from this arm into the face, and then you're going to draw a big curve in like that, and then just a little bit further out we're going to draw a line through here, and it's going to come out and join up with that. And then even further still, we're going to come, this bit is going to come in like that. Okay, good job guys so far. And that's another bit of the shell done, except from that we just need to draw a couple lines on it to show that it is the shell. That'll do. And now we're going to draw the big part of the shell. So that has also two parts. So we're going to come from about the cheek. It's going to come all the way out, round through the arm, through this, and it's going to go all the way through that line. It might go through the foot as well. and then we're going to draw a lot of lines on this one. Okay. Keep going. Good job, guys. Okay, and then the final bit of the shell is we're going to come out from this, and it's going to, of course, go through the arm, through, but we're going to stop about halfway because we need to finish off that belt. So come all the way out like that, join it up, and then we're going to go through that belt like that. Okay, that is the final bit of the shell, so we're just going to draw only a couple of lines on this one, like that, and we are actually almost done. So now at this point we're just going to draw the final bit of the mask, like that. You might have to give it a couple lines as well to show that it's moving around constantly, like that. And the final thing, we can't forget about this, is the staff, which is his weapon. So let's draw that. So it's going to be kind of coming from behind him. So we're going to draw one line that comes down through here, and it's going to be straight. And again, imagine that it goes through that body, all the way through. Okay, like that. And then you're going to give each side a bit of a curve, and then you're going to join that down as well. Okay, and that is Donatello finished. So well done, everybody. We are going to get started with our colouring. So here are all the items that you need. Okay, so pause now and go and grab them. We are going to go straight into speedy mode. So but before we go into speedy mode, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's go into speedy mode in 3, 2, 1, speedy mode. Phew! Speedy time is over now, guys, and we've got our finished picture. So don't forget to check out my previous videos like Luigi and Leonardo, because they did really well. And don't forget to watch next week's video as well, which is going to be Raphael. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.